How to log in into your Netflix account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have your Netflix app. If you do not have it, head over to your app store, search for Netflix. You can also head over to your Google Play Store, and after you find Netflix, simply tap on Get and install Netflix. After you've installed Netflix, all you now need to do is open it up. Now before I tell you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button for app hacks so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So after the Netflix app opens up, you will see the sign in option on the top right corner. Tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, it's a really easy step. What you'll need to do is you'll simply need to type in your email address, and after you type in your email address, type in your password, and after you do that, simply tap on sign in. You can also use a sign-in code if you have that, and after you do that, you're just basically good to go. That is how you can sign in into your Netflix account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.